Tired of complicated money transfers? Let me show you how easy it is to send money to Ghana with TapTap Send. First, open the TapTap Send app on your phone. If you don't have it, download it from your app store and create an account. Then, just like me, tap on Send Money. Right there. Next, you'll reach the country selection screen, which should look something like this. Here's the key: carefully select Ghana as the recipient's country from the list provided. Double check to make sure you've selected Ghana. Now, it's time to enter the recipient's full details. This includes their full legal name, phone number, and any other information the app requests. Make sure all the details are accurate to avoid any delays. Following that, you'll need to enter the amount of money you wish to send. The app will usually display the exchange rate clearly. This will show you how much the recipient will receive in Ghanaian cedis. Also, view the payment options available. Once all details are complete, the app will prompt you to review and approve your transfer before you hit send. Take a moment to double check everything. Once approved, the money is on its way. And the best part, in a lot of cases, the money arrives quickly. Sending money to Ghana with TapTap Send is that simple. No more lengthy processes, just fast, secure, and seamless international money transfers. #TapTapSend #Ghana.